Hi guys, next step in hobby grading this whatever it was called, little four-wheel drive thing. I trimmed out the divider that was up the middle there for holding the batteries apart, and trimmed out all the other little bits and pieces, melted a hole through there and there. So now the ESC just fits in there. It's actually a little bit tight. If I took the heat shrink off it, it'd probably fit in there easily, but I'm quite happy that it fits in there like that. There's still a gap down there so we can put the screw through to fit the cover on. With that hole there, got the battery lead through there. The receiver now can go push them through there, get all the wires up to the edge, and there we go. All those wires are through and connected. Aerial wires through. What we need to do now is cut these, poke them through, and then connect them up to there. And what I intend to do then is give it a little run just like this, all loose, just to see if it actually works. So these look like they'll be plenty long enough. And cut them off about here somewhere. I can use them on something else. And there happens to be holes through there already. Didn't need to drill them. It says confidently, you just can't quite get it to go through. Come on, through you go. Oh, it's getting caught on the wheel underneath, wheel axle. Come on, out the way. There we go. Yeah, plenty there to go all the way. I've used one of those holes for that aerial. Well, just as a temporary thing, I'll poke the aerial straight up through there, which is where the screw retainer goes, just so we can get these in place. Right. We haven't turned the soldering iron on yet. Okay, I'll turn the soldering iron on and we'll come back when it's hot. Right, solder iron's hot. Yep. A bit generous with the length of them. Okay, no idea which way round we want this connected, so we'll just try it and see what happens. Trim the old bits of wire off first. Okay, we'll just put them on and try it. And if necessary, we can tidy it up. Right, so that's in place. I might just put a bit of sticky tape right the way round it to stop these bits falling out at the moment, and hold a battery on the top. Right, we're very temporary at the moment, just a bit of tape round there to hold it all together. Forwards, backwards, right, left. But I can say I'm going to have to try and turn the steering trim down as far as possible, if that's possible. Steering, let's turn that right the way down. A bit too far. Still too far. Forwards, backwards. Okay. Can I turn the throttle down? Got throttle trim, but no, can't turn the throttle down. Looks like you need full mixing capability, which this controller doesn't have. Anyway, we'll put it on the floor and see what happens. Right then, so forwards, backwards, left, that's what I'm trying to avoid, is the spin. Let's turn that back down a bit. Well, it is more controllable. I think it'll still take a bit of getting used to. What I'm trying to do is just go round in a circle rather than spinning like that. How about going the other way? How about if I turn that steering down even more? Well, it is controllable, but I really am turning the steering right down. We're about... Yeah, I'm only using a tiny bit of the throttle too. Oh, flipped it over. Yeah, I think that'll do. I've spent a lot of time, well, much longer there than I intended to, just to test it. Right, well, what we've got to do now is finish 3D printing the bodywork so we can put it all together. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.